Hi! We're here at the New York Palace Cafe, the most beautiful cafe in the world. That's what they're claiming for. Ang ganda lang ng music. May nag-play ng music. Tapos, very gorgeous. Palace talaga siya. Muslim lane. Super ganda dito. Worth it. So, when you visit Budapest, this is a must. Kumain kayo dito.